Yeah, so let us start, Sona ma'am, right now because it is already 10:47.
Yeah, please. Yeah,
Yeah.
please. We should start
Yeah.
keeping the time frame in mind.
Yeah. Hi, my name is Meenal Kumar. I'm a counselor come naturopath. Along with that, I'm an honorary trainer on cohort therapist. Okay, so with me, I have got my colleagues, those who are co-hosting. Along with me, one is dietitian Sona Kerkar. She will just brief you about her. And then I have Dr. Supriya with me, who is an MBBS in infertility. I have got Gayatri Shukla, who is also a cohort therapist itself. Yeah, Dr. Supriya, Dr. Sona, you can speak about right now.
Yeah, hello everybody. Good morning to you all. I am Sona Kerkar and I'm a coordinator for Koha Therapy, a trainer as well. I have my own brand, Eat with Sona. I'm a food consultant, have been practicing since the last 15 years. And I have on board many dietitians with me who are going to join us out here. So over to Dr. Supriya now.
Yes, I'm Dr. Supriya. I have done my super specialization in thalassemia and sickle cell anemia, and I was doing prenatal diagnosis for those patients. And I tried to reduce the load of thalassemia children born in India because abroad people were able to bring down the load. So I've been trying for last 35 years to public awareness and helping the people to bring down this dreadful disease. And people were, when children were getting very frightened, then I used to say, oh, it is so common amongst few people, of which one is your favorite person, that is Amitabh Bachchan. So when I used to say, when Amitabh Bachchan is a carrier of thalassemia, then children were very happy. Oh, I'm having disease of Amitabh Bachchan, that way. So I have a habit of making people laugh, and so that they can be relieved from their sorrow. They are suffering, and that is how I'm making the children happy in their life.
Welcome, Dr. Supriya. Now, Gayatri Shukla, can you just speak about yourself?
Hello everybody. Good morning all of you. I am from Mumbai. मैं भी मुंबई से ही बिलोंग करती हूँ एंड 4 साल से मैं थेरेपी फील्ड से जुड़ी हुई हूँ और कोहार थेरेपी से मैं रिसेंटली ज्वाइन हुई हूँ तो ये मेरा
Okay.
Yeah.
Done. Thank you, Doctor. Thanks, Gayatri. There's somebody who is joined by Sadika. Sadika, आप अपने बारे में कुछ बताओगे? Sadika, can you just tell us something about you?
Yes, Sadika is from my hand. Welcome, Sadika. Okay. Please introduce yourself. Sadika, you can unmute your mic and please introduce yourself.
I think she is not able to hear. So let us start. We will take her introduction later. Okay. So please everyone keep your phone on mute. In case अगर कोई भी आपको कुछ पूछना है, अगर कुछ concern raise करना है, तो आप बात कर सकते हो. Okay. Anyone of you all can just unmute. Let me know what you want to talk and whether you want to still understand in detail. Welcome once again. I'll start with cohort therapy. Exactly what cohort therapy is all about. दो आपने इंट्रोडक्शन सुना हुआ है प्रदीप सर का और आई थिंक मेनी ऑफ देम वर देयर ऑन दैट डे अलोंग विथ मी. सो कोहर इटसेल्फ इज जस्ट अ सरनेम. कोहर का कोई मीनिंग नहीं है, वो खाली सरनेम से जुड़ी हुई है. इट इज अ सरनेम ऑफ मिस्टर प्रदीप कोहर. Scientific behind it, okay? It is just born with some cause of it, and that too it was born 5 years prior. 5 साल पहले जब प्रदीप सर की खुद की मम्मी की तबीयत ठीक नहीं थी, that is the time he started doing evaluation on this therapy. That was a change in his own career. Otherwise he is an engineer by itself. We have got 4 subsidies companies along with us we carry. One is Arrow Humanity Foundation. It is a foundation where we help people. It is a support being given to the patients who come to us for any kind of disease. They have financial problem. They are not able to treat their disease. Could it even be a cancer? Let be even coronavirus disease per se. It is very well curable. So Arrow Humanity Foundation is an NGO lay based. Anyone wants to question? I could hear the background voice. Anyone wants to question? सोना मैम मैं आपको को होस्ट करती हूँ ताकि कोई भी आपको दिखे तो फिर आप अनम्यूट कर सकते हो.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Mute and unmute, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so cohort therapy. In this Arrow Humanity, any patient can come to us via your referrals and we can get him cured under this foundation. Then we have got GSK Wellness Hospital. This is a multi-specialist hospital built up at Mira Road. यहाँ पर तरीके की disease along with that surgeries cure की जाती है. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपका कोई patient है जिसको सर्जरी ही करना है, हम नहीं ट्रीट करेंगे. We will treat them, but we will also speak to them about cohort therapy, where along with some supplements, if the disease is very deadly disease, along with supplements and our pillars we work on, we will guide them accordingly. Then comes Cohort Health LLP. Cohort Health LLP, it's nothing but limited liability partnership. ये organization, this just does a research work. Anything disease coming in or anything we want to give better to the patient for curing, reducing his time bound, that is the thing what Cohort Health LLP does. And it is registered under Maharashtra Government Act. Then we have got Pronto Healthcare Foundation. This is only in Mumbai. ये संस्था खाली अभी अवेलेबल मुंबई में है. लॉकडाउन चालू हो जाए, खत्म हो जाएगा, we will be starting and exploring this pan India too. Otherwise, we have got cohort therapists across India, even in world across. Many patients, even Sona madam is treating internationally with cohort therapy. So what we say is get medicine and surgery free. It is by natural cure. In natural cure, we cover 4 parameters. One is, as per Dr. Peter Adamo, treating a patient with blood group. Means, आप जो भी patient को treat करोगे, you will be seeing his blood group and recommending the treatment accordingly. Because here, the blood group plays a crucial role. If your blood group is A positive and you're not supposed to eat certain things, so we will be guiding you for your better ailments so that you are completely free from your ailment. जैसे A positive को dairy products में अगर देखा जाए तो milk and cheese is completely a poison. आप बोलोगे आई एम ए पॉजिटिव बट मैं तो चाइल्डहुड से पी रहा हूँ, मेरे को कोई उसका इफेक्ट नहीं हो रहा है, बट वो आपको नुकसान भी नहीं कर रहा है बिकॉज यू आर यंग. As soon as you come to an age after 45, 50 plus, the diseases starts getting accumulating in your body. So A positive person, if he has yogurt, it is okay. If he has goat milk, it will help him better. So what Dr. Peter Adamo says, eat right for your blood type. Your blood plays a very crucial role. If I'm not eating as per my blood group, I'm just forming diseases under me. It is subsiding right now. But as this age aggravates, as the hormonal changes, we start getting into complications. Then comes mineral balance in a body. What does Dr. Linus say? Pauling, mineral deficiency is your root cause. अगर आपके मिनरल्स थोड़े भी कम होते हैं, जहां पे आपका पानी रिलेटेड मिनरल्स आपको मिलता है, a body which has 75% of water intake. Here, water plays a very crucial role for us. इसके लिए जब भी आप चेकअप के लिए जाते हो डाइटिशियन के पास या न्यूट्रिशंस के पास और एनी डॉक्टर, दे फर्स्ट थिंग इवन आस्क यू आप पानी कितना कंज्यूम करते हो, टू अंडरस्टैंड योर लेवल ऑफ कंजम्पशन ऑफ वाटर, बिकॉज वाटर प्रोवाइड्स अस lot of minerals naturally which we get it through that. Dr. Linus Pauling is a second 2 Nobel Prize winner and he is a 48 PhD degree holder. तो इनके जो रिसर्च है, चाहे वो डॉक्टर पीटर एडामो के हो, चाहे वो डॉक्टर लिनस पॉलिंग के हो, they are proven in the industry. In the pharma industry, they are known for it. Then the third parameter on natural cure, we work with natural food diet. The food type and ingredients is a main key to be healthy. If in case I'm eating always boiled food, always I'm eating cooked food, nothing is going in the form of raw, I'm just accumulating diseases after diseases. Because raw food, what it provides as the nutrients is not being provided by the cooked food. Because while cooking, somewhere or the other, your nutrients, your minerals, your iron, everything gets destroyed. So what does Dr. Vishwa Sarup says? Food type and ingredients are key to healthy body. A natural diet to keep healthy living. Then our natural cure में the fourth parameter we work on Ayurvedic nutritions. Natural Ayurvedic herbs are available in our kitchen. आपको कहाँ ढूंढना नहीं पड़ता है, आपका किचन ही सबसे बड़ा herb है. Whether I talk about turmeric, whether I talk about ginger, garlic, cinnamon, they are the natural healers. Or whether I talk about black pepper, including red pepper seeds, not red pepper, red pepper seeds. That is also naturally cured. Including jeera. So that all has been a treatment what we work with natural cure. Ayurvedic nutritions. Because as per the Ayurveda, and Ayurveda is there since Asians. What does Ayurveda says? It can cure any disease as per the illness. Then comes our immunotherapy. Immunotherapy means we work on your immunity. We guide you on certain ways to improve your health. That is where immunotherapy plays a crucial role for us. Then comes modern medical science. You will say, why do we need modern medical science? Cohort therapy is based on a combination. Modern medical science, we just take a support system when we go to the doctor. If in case he has to diagnose our diseases, he asks us to do certain tests. And this is where modern science plays a crucial role about it. So What is cohort therapy? Cohort therapy is a combination of natural cure, immunotherapy, and modern science. Cohort therapy, the body's nutrients are balanced according to your blood group. It's a holistic approach. Why a holistic approach? Because we say we can cure from your head of your hair till the toe. That means anything, everything is curable under the sun, except a person not having faith, that is a doubt. Second thing is death. It is unpredictable, which is never curable. So these two diseases, we don't have cure. We don't have even the solution for it. Except this, we can cure any type of disease. And we have testimonials of the patients. अगर आप कोई पेशेंट को ट्रीट करते हो, वो आपको पूछता है कि आप हमें टेस्टिमोनियल्स दे सकते हो क्या? Yes, we do have lot of testimonials, including for HIV/AIDS, even for TB patients. Is this clear till now? Any questions? Any questions till now? यहाँ पे किसी को कोई questions है? Yes. Hello. Can everyone hear my voice?
Yes, yes, madam, you're audible. Any questions on board?
So Sona ma'am, you can take the benefits of cohort therapy now. Sona ma'am?
Yeah. Tell me, madam. Yes.
Yeah, you can start with benefits of cohort therapy.
Yeah, please, can you share the screen?
Yes, I will surely share.
Yeah, as Meenal madam has explained, ki Cohart therapy. Kohar is the name who has formulated this therapy. And this therapy is simply based on natural cure, immunotherapy, and modern medical science. And along with this, we practice the balance of body nutrients according to the human blood group. So in a complete holistic way, we get the treatment done for any ailments or disease.
Ma'am, can you see?
Yeah,
Ma'am?
I can see. Yes,
Yeah.
I can see.
Yeah.
And now, as you all can see on board, the benefits of Kohar therapy. As the pamphlet tagline says, we cure without medicine and without surgery. तो सबसे बड़ी चीज इसमें यही है कि we do not take aid of any surgical or pharmaceutical supplements out here or tablets or medicines out here. दूसरा बहुत important चीज है, ये time bound है. जैसे कि कोई भी डिजीज है तो वी गिव अ टाइम फ्रेम जहां पे आपका ये चीज 100% क्योर हो सकता है. सो इट इज टाइम बाउंड, परमानेंट है. हम इसके रूट कॉज को इरेडिकेट करते हैं. We get the disease treated from its root, because if you can see the elements that the treatment is based on, it's absolutely natural, it's on food based, it's according to your immune system, so the disease is cured from its root cause. And one therapist can provide the solution for entire health issues. जैसे कि in the medical industry we have different personnels to treat different types of ailments. यहाँ पे आप ये चीजें एक बंदा ही कर सकता है under one roof, based on the 4 principles mentioned earlier. Economical भी है, as she has already said, it is already having an NGO जहाँ पे people who can afford it can also come in. Who cannot afford it, we make provisions for them to take the aid of the NGOs that she just mentioned earlier, जो illustrated है हमारे pamphlet पे. Arrow Humanity Foundation है, तो उसके थ्रू भी हम आपको ये ट्रीटमेंट की सुविधा दे सकते हैं. And as we are repetitively saying, this is absolutely natural cure. It is based on the studies and the research work and the uh, um, um, justifications of Dr. Peter J.D. Adamo and Linus Pauling, Dr. Vishwaroop, जो आजकल I think the videos are बहुत ही उनके familiar हैं आजकल, तो everybody knows Dr. Vishwaroop, and definitely the Ayurvedic concept, which is the root of Indian treatment. तो ये benefits हैं कोहार therapy के. Meenal madam, I hope I am
Yes.
on the track.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So has Dr. Dietitian Sona said about it, okay, we can cure without medicine and surgery. Means it is up to the patient how does he wants to get it treated. Whether he wants to get it treated with our supplement and the fitness pillar or the fitness pillars itself. Then in that case, if a patient says, I just want to get it treated, cure only on fitness pillars, then the treatment will vary accordingly. If he says, I want to get it in a combination, that is with the supplements and the fitness pillars, then the time bound automatically changes. So it becomes with fitness pillar, the time becomes double. If I say any disease, I say 1 month time. In fitness pillar itself, it goes to 2 months. Today, you go to any doctor. Doctor will not give you a time-bound cure. But in our therapy, we are saying it is time-bound cure, including diabetes. It is a time-bound cure. This is a therapy which cures you permanently for lifetime. But later, if in case आज आपकी therapy खत्म हो जाती है and then you say, can I eat what I used to eat prior? I would say no. Stick to your blood group diet. In your blood group diet also, anyway you are able to eat anything what you like. I'm not restricting कि you don't eat this or don't eat that. Only specifically things जो हम स्पेसिफाई करते हैं कि ये आपके ब्लड ग्रुप के हिसाब से है तो यू शुड नॉट बी ईटिंग. So he has to follow that. Otherwise, the disease is going to attack him back. जैसे A पॉजिटिव है, उसको मिल्क नहीं लेना है, डिजीज जब भी ट्रीटमेंट देते हैं तो he says I will not drink that time, but after that I will continue. Disease is sent to come back to him. क्योंकि हर एक ब्लड ग्रुप की अपनी मेटाबॉलिज्म होती है, अपनी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होती है जो हमारे ब्लड के हिसाब से वो सूट करती है. सो दैट इज द रीजन ब्लड ग्रुप प्लेज अ क्रूशियल रोल. If I have 3 diseases, I go to the 3 doctors. But what do we say here? It is one therapist. You don't need to go to 3 therapists. One therapist will understand, will give you the treatment. Because हम उसको इतना स्पेशलाइज बनाते हैं कि वो कोई भी डिजीज को क्योर कर सकती है. दैट इज द रीजन जब अब हमसे इंट्रोडक्शन लेते हैं टू अंडरस्टैंड आप किस इंडस्ट्री से आते हो, ताकि उस बेसिस में हम आपको गाइड कर सकते हैं. And then it becomes easier for you because then you know. So this is the thing, it's the best thing over here is one therapist can cure any kind of disease. I don't need to go to 10 doctors anymore. Here we say economical. Why economical? Any person coming to you, either a rich or a poor or a middle class family, they can say, all 3 categories can say, we don't want a supplement. हमको अपने पेट में दवाइयाँ नहीं डालनी है, हमको naturally cure करो. So this becomes economical. क्यों? आपका घर ही आपका आयुर्वेदा है. तो हम आपको वो गाइड करेंगे कि आप उनको कैसे ट्रीट कर सकते हो उनके घर के बेस के हिसाब से. So obviously then this becomes an economical. Even if person takes a supplements, it is not so expensive where he cannot. Because no doctor on earth will say your disease will get cured within this month's time. चाहे वो बीपी हो, चाहे वो डायबिटिक हो, चाहे वो टीबी हो, चाहे वो कैंसर हो, चाहे वो including piles हो, even the kidney stone. Today you get treated for kidney stone, again you will get that after 1 year. Removing the part is not a solution. Curing is a solution. This therapy, it's a combination. As we say, it's a combination. Why? It is based on blood group diet, what Peter Adamo says. It is based on mineral, what Dr. Linus Pauling says. It is based on Dr. Vishwa Sarup, on natural diet and Ayurvedic nutrition. That is Ayurveda available at your home. Any questions till now? I would prefer आप interact करो.
Till now not yet actually.
हाँ जी.
Till now not yet any questions.
No questions.
No
Okay.
issue, ma'am.
Questions till now, yeah.
Okay. So then comes a counseling. How do we treat a patient? आपके पास एक patient आता है, आप बोलते हो मैं उसको कैसे cure करूं? How do I work? How will I get that patient? उस दिन भी किसी open forum में somebody asked, how do we get patients? You already have your clinic. You already have your workplace. Patients are coming to you. But उनको आप naturally कैसे cure करोगे? The result will be much more faster compared to the other ways around. Right, Sona madam? Can you support with this? Sona madam.
Yes, madam, tell me.
Can you support with this when we say कि a patient anyway comes at your clinic, they already have it with you, to get it treated via cohort is a much more faster than the normal way what other people do it across. Can you just tell them?
Yeah. As we've always been mentioning that this therapy is absolutely natural and it is taking all the natural support, food based on your blood group, water, minerals. तो ये सारी जो बेसिक चीजें हैं इसी को हम अपना फाउंडेशन बना के we are trying to take a treatment ahead with this. So definitely this is long term, sustainable, reliable way, whereas by medicines we just heal or cure the ailment temporarily. हम सिर्फ उस समय के लिए करते हैं. You have seen we have many people having the tablets and subsidizing the ailment, और उसके बाद वो रिकर हो जाता है. But यहाँ पे when the patients are coming to us, we counsel them. We first take their willingness. हम पहले उनसे उनकी will जान लेते हैं, how they want to get it cured, because this is completely based on a natural way where you have to stick to your routine or to your lifestyle according to the requirements of your body. आपकी body को जो चाहिए आपको वही करना है. As we said, even after you're cured yourself, you will live a complete disease-free life if you continue with the treatment. और ये treatment कुछ और नहीं है, कोई दवाइयाँ नहीं खानी है. हमारा जो basic component है, necessity है, blood group के हिसाब से खाना खाने का वही है. Yes, Nisha madam, we will be coming to it. Which blood group shouldn't take certain things. We will be coming. इसमें आगे हम ये क्वेश्चन जरूर ले रहे हैं. अपने ब्लड ग्रुप के हिसाब से क्या खाना चाहिए, क्या नहीं खाना चाहिए. We have all the 4 blood group do's and don'ts in this. We will come up to it later. Yes,
Yeah.
Minal madam.
Yes. So here any questions? यहाँ पे any questions किसी को कुछ raise करना है? Any understanding? इसमें क्या होता है, आप नेचुरल तरीके से आप अपने आप को ट्रीट कर रहे हो. हम आपकी लाइफस्टाइल नहीं चेंज कर रहे हैं. हम आपको खाली मॉडिफाई करने को बोल रहे हैं आपके खाने के हिसाब से. You can eat what you want, but in a healthier way. With no compromise or something. Only certain things हम बोलेंगे आप ऐसे नहीं करो, ऐसे करो. That's it. Okay. Now comes the counseling. जो counseling होती है, जो first phase for the patient होता है. First phase of the patient in the sense is your own confidence, is your own faith, what you have in the therapy to treat a patient. In counseling, we go via chronological order. Chronological order in the sense, we first would want to know his first disease ever he had something. Could be 10 years prior, could be 15 years prior, anything. Then we come to the current problem, what is he facing? उसको अभी current problem क्या है? Is he having multiple problems or is he having one problem? So we attack the disease accordingly and then we tell them इतना time लगेगा. So जहाँ पे हम chronological way से जाते हैं तो हम patient का name हमारे लिए जरूरी है, हमारे लिए जेंडर जानना जरूरी है, क्योंकि जो फीमेल्स के हार्मोन्स होंगे वो अलग होंगे, मेल्स के हार्मोन्स अलग होंगे, तो the body will vary. So that is the reason to know a gender is a compulsory. After that, age. Is your patient a young patient? Because uske metabolism will be more faster and healable compared to the age old patient. इसके लिए वेट और हाइट हमारे लिए कंपलसरी है ताकि हम उसकी बॉडी मास इंडेक्स को जाने. कहीं वो 50 kgs है, उसकी वेट इज 70 kgs और उसकी हाइट 5 है, तो ऑब्वियसली ही इज ओवरवेट. But if in case he comes between 55 to 60, he's in healthy. But yes, he comes under still, he can be an obese later. So that is why weight and height plays a crucial role here. Has our treatment is based on natural cure. जो हमारे 4 parameters हैं, blood, water, natural nutrients and आयुर्वेदा. सो अगर हमें ब्लड ग्रुप पता होगा तो हम पेशेंट को गाइड कर सकते हैं उस हिसाब से. देन कम्स द मोबाइल नंबर. I will just share you one case where you can see how do we do the counseling form, how do we fill up. 1 second. Just hold on 2 minutes. Till now, any questions over here? Okay, this is one of the patient's details which is being filled over here. Okay, the name, patient's name, the gender, the date, the mobile number, the blood group, the height, the weight and the age. So what I did, I took her first consultation when she had consulted in 2018 for the test what she has done. ये पेशेंट को अभी जो उसको डायग्नोज हुआ था, she came to me with a menopause issue, along with that bulgy uterus and ovarian cyst. Plus, because of menopause, lot of mood swings. So then I asked her history. So what she told me, she's consulted a gynec in 2018 for her periods itself that time also. That is her menses. That time she had taken homeopathy medicine from Dr. Jawhar for hormonal imbalances. But later she discontinued this medicine. She started with mudra treatment. Why? That time she was also being diagnosed with thyroid, and that too hypothyroid. She takes mudra treatment from Mr. Chandrakant, who is in Juhu. So when she started with mudra treatment, automatically her hormones imbalance also started becoming better. Her thyroid level also started becoming normal. Okay, so she said this is what it is. So I asked her, do you take any medications? So right now she said, I'm not taking any medicine except one, which she takes multivitamin. So I have mentioned that taking one multivitamin, multi-mineral capsule. I have mentioned the name also. And sometimes she takes D rice for vitamin D. So then she told me, I'm going through a menopause. So what did I ask her? This is an hormonal changes. Can you tell me your periods? When has it happened the irregular way? So she sent me even that. So I have noted down all her periods ka cycle. 29th March, February, 20th March, 1st April, 21st April. So मेरे को पता पड़ा she is going through a heavy menopausal, which is almost on the closer of her periods. Then I took her blood report, which she's got it done in the month of January. The recent report means पहले मैंने क्या किया, उसकी old report को देखा, उसके बाद में उसकी current report पूछी. So this becomes a modern medical science support to understand what the patient is having right now. तो यहाँ पे जहां पे भी मुझे लो दिखा, आई हैव नोटेड डाउन लो 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 एवरीवेयर. जहां पे हाई था मैंने मेंशन किया हाई. टीएस जो उसके अल्ट्रा सेंसिटिव है 2.690 है. तो इन हर सोनोग्राफी एंड हर पेप्समियर देयर वाज सम स्लाइड इशू. पेप्समियर सेज it's a test which is being done for the ladies at the vaginal place. In this, we come to know a patient having a cancer or non-cancerous. So her negative impression is there for the cancer. But there is an eruption, inflammation. Eruption or inflammation is nothing but the rashes what gets formed. Then she has done ultrasound, which says mildly bulky uterus, and that to a size of 3.8 to 2.8, and simple right ovarian cyst. After taking this, I told her, what are you wanting it from me? I just discussed her. So initially when this patient came to me, I told her what I am doing in cohort therapy. I did not discuss anything else more. मतलब मैंने उसको खाली बताया कि cohort therapy है क्या. What is the line of cohort therapy? In this, when we tell them कि what is cohort therapy, that should be sufficient for a patient to understand what you are doing it. उसके बाद then we charge the counseling fees. If in case a patient says yes, I want to go ahead with this treatment, we ask them to transfer or give us in hand the counseling fees. Once the counseling fees is received, we start noting down all the details. As I know this patient very well, I did not bother to ask her for counseling fees. Because anyway, I'm into social services of a lot of counseling which I do it. Then I told her the line of treatment. In this basis, that is how we go ahead with counseling session. In counseling session, you may be in touch with the patient only for a time, one time, or could be second time if in case a patient needs you. Any questions over here? लेट अस मेक एन इंटरेक्टिव. एनी क्वेश्चंस ओवर हियर? या तो फिर मैं आपसे पूछना चालू करूंगी. यस यस नरेंद्र.
No doubts till now. I'm just
No
noting down
doubt.
the things. Yeah,
Okay, okay.
I'm noting down
Then
the
I
things.
will,
Yeah.
okay. Then I will ask you what is cohort therapy.
Pardon?
Now I will ask you what is cohort therapy, what you have understood till now.
What till now I have understood about the combination of blood, water, and natural therapy, and by taking support of allopathic treatment, what we are taking right now.
No, not a support of an allopathy here itself. I'll
Okay.
tell you. Modern medical test, what is the report being done? Okay.
Okay.
Initially, we will not ask the patient to stop any of his allopathy medicines.
Okay.
इनिशियली वी विल नॉट आस्क. अभी जैसे किसी को डायबिटिक है तो हम नहीं बोलेंगे उसको कम करने के लिए, हम उसको बोलेंगे आप अपनी ब्लड टेस्ट करवाओ, आप अपने डॉक्टर से भी पूछ लो, ताकि
Okay.
ऑन द सेफ हैंड, क्योंकि उसको विश्वास होगा हाँ वो डॉक्टर उसका सालों का है, तो वी विल आस्क हिम ओके यू हैव स्पोकन टू हिम, ही हिमसेल्फ इज रिड्यूस हिज डोज.
Okay.
दैट इज व्हाट वी टेक अ सपोर्ट ऑफ मॉडर्न मेडिकल साइंस.
Okay. Okay.
ओके
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Got it. Yeah.
That. Dr. Ajay, can you tell me what are the benefits of cohort therapy? Dr. Ajay. डॉक्टर अजय, आप कुछ बताओगे कोहर्ट थेरेपी के बारे में या उसके बेनिफिट्स, और एनीबॉडी एल्स? निशा. हाँ जी मनीषा बोलिए, आप बताइए कोहर्ट के बेनिफिट्स.
सबसे पहले तो वो विदाउट मेडिसिन और विदाउट ऑपरेशन का सबसे बड़ा बेनिफिट है. फिर टाइम बाउंड देते हैं जो टाइम के साथ क्योर हो जाता है. और जैसे कि एक पेशेंट है जिसको डायबिटीज है, तो वो डायबिटीज के उसकी मेडिसिन कितने टाइम के साथ बंद करनी है वो हो जाता है. फिर 4 प्रिंसिपल है उसके अकॉर्डिंग टू हमें फॉलो करना, उससे बेनिफिट्स होते हैं.
वो जो 4 प्रिंसिपल्स है वो कौन से प्रिंसिपल्स है मैडम?
मतलब सबसे पहले तो ब्लड ग्रुप के अकॉर्डिंग टू खाना लेना है.
हाँ जी.
फिर है मिनरल्स के अकॉर्डिंग टू जो लुइस पॉलिस डॉक्टर ने जो बताया है कि उसके अकॉर्डिंग मिनरल्स होने चाहिए अपने खाने में वाटर के अकॉर्डिंग टू. फिर विश्वरूप चौधरी के अकॉर्डिंग टू होना चाहिए. और एक आयुर्वेदिक मेडिसिन होनी चाहिए जो अपने किचन में इजीली अवेलेबल मिल जाते हैं.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा. अभी मेरे को ये बताइए, यहाँ पे सब डिजीजेस का आपके पास प्रॉब्लम है, सॉल्यूशन है?
हाँ, सर से लेके पाँव तक के सबका रिजल्ट मिलता है, सब डिजीज क्योर हो जाते हैं.
अच्छा, मगर 2 डिजीजेस ऐसी है जिसका मेरे पास क्योर नहीं है, वो कौन सी है?
वो एक डाउट और डेथ है.
डाउट और डेथ का वी डोंट हैव एनी सॉल्यूशन. थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू. Nisha madam, can you tell me how do we do counseling? हाँ जी फराना, गुड मॉर्निंग. Nisha madam, good morning. Nisha madam, can you just tell me how do we do counseling? Or Rutika, or Neelam, anybody?
Ma'am, first of all, we check with the client what exactly he or she is having the problem. We take the entire history, what is he going through. We'll jot down the details like what types of medicines he or she is taking it till now, and any major illness or something. According to that, we will explain him or her about the Cora therapy, how we'll do the treatment.
Okay, what are the things which is more important over here to know for a patient for us?
Like any kind of allopathy he is taking, or any major what we say operations has been done or something.
Okay. And there is one more thing you have forgotten over here. It is the patient's name, gender,
Blood group.
age, weight, height and blood group.
Okay.
अगर
Height
आपको
is also.
patient height is
How
also
it is connected with the height, ma'am? Can I know that?
हाँ, so height and weight is connected with body mass index. अगर आपका weight 70 kgs है और आपकी height खाली 5 feet है,
Okay.
तो आप इसका बॉडी मास इंडेक्स देखोगे कि कहीं वो ओबेस तो नहीं है,
Okay.
ताकि उस बेसिस में आप उसको ट्रीटमेंट दोगे ना. सो
Right.
दैट इज द मेन थिंग. यहाँ पे हाइट और वेट एज के हिसाब से काफी इम्पोर्टेंस कर जाता है हमारे लिए. अगर
But
कोई
this Cora therapy treatment is basically even for the children's also, like starting from the
yes
age of 10
yes
years or
yes
so, or
yes
it is
yes
for a certain age.
anybody, no, anybody, any patient you get, you can get it done. Any patient, there is no age bound over here.
So this is absolutely natural, madam, and this has no introduction of any medicines or such. ये बिल्कुल natural है और बिल्कुल ही आपके बॉडी को सूट करे ऐसा है. It's all from the food. As she said, हमारे किचन में ही सबसे बड़ा केमिस्ट या फार्मा इंडस्ट्री या you know the medicinal powers हमारे किचन में ही है सारे.
Okay, so you don't have to search. मतलब अगर छोटा बच्चा, if in case he's a learning disability child for an example, still we can get him treated. It is not that you cannot treat it, because learning disability में होता क्या है, a child's oxygen level is a concern where it doesn't reaches its brain. He knows, but he is not able to express. That is where a disability becomes a concern for him. If in case I give him natural Ayurveda, so automatically that will enhance his brain capacity, na? Even for eye disease per se, we can get it treated.
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
Yes, Minilji, I just want to ask one thing. See,
Yeah.
I have seen very much of cases like uveitis and so on. We see on regular basis right now. पहले ऐसा था
Yes.
किसी को uveitis पता नहीं था. Okay.
Yes, very true.
But till now.
Very true. हाँ.
But अभी ये common disease हो गई है हर किसी के लिए.
Yes.
Okay, people are all day by day they are losing their eyesight and so on. Okay.
Yes.
In that case, it is possible कि इससे cure हो
Yes.
सकता है.
Yes. Why not?
Okay, because till now in allopathic there is no such medicines.
No
for it.
such cure, but we can
That's
cure
mean-
it out. What do? We build up his immunity, na?
Okay.
जहाँ पे आपकी इम्यूनिटी इम्प्रूव होती है, जहाँ पे आपको नॉर्मल जो आपके ब्लड के हिसाब से खाना जाता है, आपको मिनरल जो मेन कंपोनेंट है उसके खातिर तो वो डिजीज होती है ना.
Okay. But
So we can cure.
yeah. My second question is that okay, but these people say, suppose if somebody is going for treatment and they ask for some any reports and so on, but this doctor says it is not about the mirror, it is about something. They don't have any actual reason for it.
They will never say you. अभी आप स्किन के पास जाओ, स्किन कंसर्न अगर किसी को रैशेस होते हैं, डॉक्टर आपको मेन कंसर्न नहीं बताएगा. चाहे आप फूड का भी टेस्ट करोगे ना, तो आपको फूड के टेस्ट में एटलीस्ट आपको मालूम पड़ता है कि क्या नहीं खाने चाहिए. और जब भी आप उसको पैरामीटर्स को मैच करोगे ना, I will tell you my own life case 10 years prior when I had skin disease. It was not going. Ultimately, one doctor and Ayurvedic told me, दीदी आप खाली जाके अपना ब्लड टेस्ट का अपना फूड टेस्ट करवा दो ना. I said मैंने बहुत करवा दिया. I was so frustrated. He said करवा तो दो मेरे खातिर. And I did that, and I was eating that food which was not there as per my blood group. He showed me.
Okay.
And I stopped that. I started getting cured. It is proven.
Okay.
So it is not that you cannot get treated any disease, including a learning disability.
Okay.
What it happens in learning disability? A child is not able to express.
Yes.
जहाँ पे child express
Indirectly.
नहीं कर रहा है, क्यों? बिकॉज द ऑक्सीजन फ्लो जो उसके ब्रेन में जाना चाहिए वो नहीं जाता है. Somewhere during the pregnancy, somewhere during the delivery, there's a hurt which has been caused at the brain function.
Okay.
और वो डिलीवरी ज्यादातर फोर्सेप डिलीवरीज होती है.
Okay.
जो फोर्सेप डिलीवरी में कहीं ना कहीं बच्चे को जाके वो सर पे मार लगती है, एंड दे आर नॉट एबल टू पुट अप. दे नो एवरीथिंग.
So
If
maximum
you
time
see,
these people.
if you see तारे जमीन पे will show you the reality, and it is truth. That is truth, where children knows but not able to express.
Okay.
So there also, what do? We teach them with different techniques, na,
अच्छा.
to express. And वो disability, it goes away with the age. मतलब क्या है? बच्चा एक दूसरे तरीके से express करना सीख जाता है. तो अगर मैं उसको घर के ट्रीटमेंट के थ्रू उसको मैं ऑक्सीजन बढ़ाती हूँ, तो ऑटोमेटिकली विल ही नॉट बी एबल टू एक्सप्रेस.
Definitely.
तो व्हेन यू गो विद द लर्निंग डिसेबिलिटी का ट्रीटमेंट, द डॉक्टर सेज यू टू टेक शंकुपुष्पी. इट्स एन आयुर्वेदिक. सो आयुर्वेदिक में शंखपुष्पी क्या करता है? आपके ब्लड फ्लो को बढ़ाता है. आपके ब्लड फ्लो को बढ़ाएगा, ऑटोमेटिकली आपके ऑक्सीजन इंक्रीज होती है लेवल.
Yes, but also.
That is what it is all about.
Okay. So any diseases which is from the beginning at the born of the time. Suppose if I am caused with any disease or any hereditary diseases, so everything can be cured from there.
Yes. Why not?
So as you said कि that might be pre-planned. It's a pre-planned जो हम book कहते हैं. Like we have seen cases that 80% of deliveries are done now on basically क्या कहते हैं हम लोग?
ऑपरेशन.
Yeah, through operations.
अभी
Okay.
तो ऑपरेशन
अभी तो
करके
80%.
निकाल देते हैं.
Yes. So
C-section.
definitely it is much more affecting to the born child.
Yes.
Okay.
That is
ठीक
the
है.
only reason there are diseases coming up, more new diseases you can see in everyday's life. Why? Because of the lifestyle. Stress lifestyle है, खाना उल्टा सुल्टा है, जैसे चाहिए खाते हैं. So that is where the diseases are getting formed, no?
Okay.
If you treat such patient at the beginning of it, for example, learning disability, mentally retarded child, if you treat as the earlier the invention, the better is the cure. The better is the cure. Nobody realizes. Parent, either they are ignorant or either they don't want to accept that their child has this problem.
Okay.
So we cure it via naturally. Including
got
the
that.
eye disease, including the scar, including the eye disease, we cure naturally.
Okay, that means if somebody is having a specs from
You
last
can
10 to 20
remove.
days, we can.
You can remove.
Okay.
Yeah. Any questions? Right now we are on time, 11:40. Dr. Sup, please take a recap. Dr. Supriya? Dr. Supriya, can you hear me?
Hello?
Yes, Dr. Supriya, can you please take a recap now?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. So now today's session started with Minal Madam saying about the cohort therapies for companies where there is Arrow Humanity Foundation, then Cohar Health LLP, GSK Wellness Hospital, and Pronto Healthcare Solution. Then she started explaining about what is cohort therapy. And then it is a holistic drugless module of therapy where the cure is without medicine and surgery. And the beauty of this treatment is there is no side effect of this therapy. And it is based on a natural cure, then immunotherapy and modern medical science. Then this was followed by Dr. Sona, who explained very well about the benefits of this therapy so that people can adopt this therapy. And it is very economical, so that's why a common man can adopt it at any place. So there is no restriction that remote area also means even if the villager can adopt it, or even the city person also can adopt it. So it is very easy to adopt this therapy. Then Minal Madam has discussed about the case, and she explained how to fill the form while taking the history of the patient, and shown the importance of all parameters which we should include while filling up the form. And then there was a very good interactive session between the participants, and meeting ended with
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thanks a ton.
thanks.
Today's assignment. Please let me know which are that 5 things. If you have seen, I'll be sharing a video link. What Koha therapy is, what different do you find, and even any of the benefits you can explain me tomorrow. आपको चाहिए, आप मेरे को असाइनमेंट ग्रुप में भेजना है, भेज सकते हो. What Koha therapy is and what its benefits are, or the 5 things what you like about the most. Okay, Dr. Sona, we end up the session over here.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you, Meenal Madam. Thank you all
Thank
the
you.
participants. And as she's given the task to us, that हम आज के सेशन में जितना हमने ग्रास्प किया है, एब्जॉर्ब किया है, वो आप प्लीज अपने हिसाब से उतारें कि why do you think Kohar therapy is well trusted and very natural cure. आप 5 benefits अपने perception से please jot down करें. You can send us on group or you can send us in person. And definitely tomorrow we will be continuing this training ahead with all the people out here. I hope you all had a good time and you all were connecting with us, whatever Meenal Madam was here to impart. And I hope there are no more questions.
Thank you. Have a
Thanks,
nice
Minal.
day.
Yes,
Thank you.
Minal ma'am, just want to
हाँ जी हरिहर सर बोलिए ना.
yes, वो मेरे को होस्ट बनाएंगे. I am just conducting the introductory session now today.
Okay, 1 second sir. अभी introductory section is at 12 o'clock.
अच्छा, okay.
We will be
Okay, fine.
discontinuing this
We will be
group and
discontinuing it. Yes.
Okay, fine. No worries,
Okay.
no worries.
Thank you everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day.
कोहार हेल्थ सब्सक्राइब पे क्लिक कीजिए और बेल आइकन को दबाइए हमारे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए.